Hello viewers, welcome to my new video. Just time pass. Okay, so I create a spelling checker like so it's a Python based project. So I create a spelling checker desktop app. Okay, so basically run on desktop app. So okay, so first of all I show the feature, how many feature I have in my project. It's a quite useful feature for useful feature and very useful project for any college student or school student, also university students. Okay, so basically the first feature is category. So I just put some limited feature. Okay, so if you want, you add more feature. How many you want? Okay. Before that I go forward, I tell you one thing. I have a surprise for you at the end. Just wait for it. Okay. So first of all, how my this app work? Okay. So first of all, you need to choose a category. So I total have 1, 2, 3, 6, 8 feature. Okay. So the first is mix. Here is in mix feature I have total 1200 word. Okay. At the end, I saw everything, my code, my data set, which type of tools I use for it, which platform I choose, everything I uh, showing at the end. Okay, don't worry. So the next feature here is the uh, text box. You want to write the word. Okay, so the word is software engineer. Okay, so basically I use Bengali word. Don't worry, guys. If you want any other language, your native language, my native language is Bengali. I'm from West Bengal. So if you want Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, or other foreign language like Chinese, like Japanese, everything, Russian, what do you want? Okay, you just change the data set. It's very easy, and I show you how you change, how you edit, how you create your own data set. Okay, it's very easy. Don't worry. Okay, so here is a text box, and here is a 5 button. Okay, every button have their own uh, specialty. So uh, the first is go button. Okay, so okay. So first of all, I write the right spelling. Okay, so software developer, software engineer. Okay, so when you write your spelling, you just click the go for check your spelling is right or wrong. Okay, here is it. The message correct, software engineer. And as you see here, like uh, your atom, like if you corrected a word, how many word you correct, how many words you write incorrect, or how many word is how many word is wrong, and how many you skip. Okay, so the next button is next. If you have, here is the mysterious, like uh, fun type. So if you write, if you type the right spelling, then the next button is visible, otherwise not. Okay, if you not write, if you not write a correct spelling, you could not go to next word. Okay, yeah, here is smartphone. Before that I going to smartphone, here is another option is speak. Like if you want the pronunciation of the word, you just click the speak button. It's speak. So basically, in my okay, wait, I click it. Smartphone. Yeah, smartphone. If I skip this word, Okay, before that I showing one thing. Here is it, the next button is not visible. Okay, it's disable. If I write the correct word, then the word is, so basically I write wrong. This time I put wrong like this. If I go, it's saying wrong. Try again. Okay. So here is it. The next button is not working. Okay. Okay. So if you not write the if you not write the correct spelling, it's not visible. So here is one option. You can skip this word if you want. Okay. I the as you see, I wrong one word. Okay. If I click skip button, skip the word. Then click if I click the speak, say it speak.
Seller, literature, archaeologist,
Here is the speak button is work. Okay, and how skip button also work as you see. Then one mysterious button is hint. Okay, so okay, so now archaeologist. If you suppose uh you know the spelling, but you quite confused or not sure. If you click the hint button, it's only three letter. The first one, first letter, middle letter, and last letter. So if you want something more letter, then you have you need to change your code. It's quite easy. You just change the number. It's showing. Okay, at the end I showing it. Okay, so okay, I write it. Archeo ARCHEOLOGist. I don't know it's right or wrong. Let's see. Okay. So it's right. As you see, the next button is visible. Yeah.
prophet,
Okay. Huh. Now here is the one is accuracy. What's my accuracy? Total I spell six word. Okay. Two is correct, one is wrong, and three skip. My accuracy is 33. You see your accuracy. It is help you to more confident and help to improve your spelling. You see your uh, result at the end. You see your score. Yeah. The next is life system disability. Like it is quite fun. Okay, so where's the front? So here is two option: enable lives or disable. Okay, I first of all I click. As life system is enabled. So basically, when you click enable life system, you have only 5 life. Okay, if you spell or write wrong spelling, you it the lag is you have only 5 life. So if you wrong five, if you type five wrong word, you have no life. Your game is over. Okay, so like profit whatever I type, just go. See wrong word, one life is gone. Then next gone, next gone, next gone, and you have only one life left. As you lost your life starting a new game. So if you okay, then uh you got your chance one more time. As it all score is reset. Okay, so the first time the first time you open this app, you have five, you got five life. But when you uh repeat your tasks, if you lost your 5 life, the second time you only get 3 life. Okay, so alright. Go. Okay. You lost. Let's see, like. So you only got 5 life at first time, and then you got only 3 life. Is the game rule. Okay. So And the next is a very simple. If you not want to play live game, if you not want to go to harder, so you just disable the live. Actually, live is it. So uh, you do unlimited wrong. Uh, it does not matter anything. Okay. Okay. So is the end point, and here is the surprise. So what I uh, said starting time. Yeah. So like when you play, like not just play, when you practicing what, if you feel boring, you have a one more option, like music option. I add a background music. If you want, you just click on music on, the music is automatically on, and here is a volume up and down button. So basically I just play for few seconds. Otherwise my video got a copyright claim, so I'm sorry for that. I'm just play the music for few seconds. So it's up to you. If you want music, if you change the music, you want you just change it. Basically it's up to you. You have a option. Okay. So this is all about. And at the end I have a request. If you think I can add any more option, or if you have any idea about my project, you can suggest anything, just comment below. And don't forget to comment how is it, and please rate my comment if you like it. And next video, just comment code or data set, just comment it. The next video I'm showing my whole coding process and data set, how I build, which platform I use, everything I so okay. So for now